Hello, and welcome to Toddler World TV on the Farm. We're going to see a few animals today and learn how to spell them. We hope you have a good time. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Pig, P-I-G, pig. Sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. Dinosaur.
Wait a minute, that's not a farm animal. Dinosaurs are extinct. They're all gone.
Yes, you're right. Dinosaurs are extinct.
But hey, why don't you spell it anyway?
Okay, let's spell dinosaur. D-I-N-O-S-A-U-R, dinosaur. Thank you for watching Toddler World TV on the Farm. Please support us by subscribing to our channel.